Hello everybody, welcome to my class today. We are solving problems of independent integral of the form 11. Let us do some more problems from that form. Number 19. Integration dx by x into x to the power n plus 1. To solve this type of problem, we have to make here x to the power n. So we have to multiply both n and b by x to the power n minus 1. Then you get this. Right here. Both n and b by x to the power n minus 1. Now, let x to the power n equals to z. Then you get n x to the power n minus 1 dx equals to dz. That is x to the power n minus 1 dx, that is 1 by n dz. So here you get 1 by n integration dz by z into z plus 1. Now I am writing in this way. Here it is 1, so instead of 1 I am writing z plus 1 minus z by z into z plus 1 dz. Now I am using this. We get 1 by n integration z plus 1 by this, that is 1 by z. This by this, that is 1 by z plus 1 dz. Now 1 by z integration is ln of mod z. This is ln of mod of z plus 1 plus c. So by combining these two, we write ln of z by z plus 1 plus c. Now just substitute x to the power n for z. Then we get the final answer as 1 by n ln of mod of x to the power n by x to the power n plus 1 plus c. So let us give you one homework of this type. Integration dx by x into x to the power 5 plus 1. Then your answer will be 1 by 5 ln of mod of x to the power 5 by x to the power 5 plus 1 plus c. Next, let us move to the problem. This is very important problem. It will be asked in exams. Sin x plus cos x dx whole divided by 9 plus 16 sin 2x. Here, first thing, what should be differentiated to get sin x plus cos x? So, let us first integrate sin x plus cos x. Integration sin x plus cos x dx. Integration of sin x is minus cos x and this is plus sin x. So we find dx of sin x minus cos x. This is sin x plus cos x. We find it. So now you have to try to make sin x minus cos x here. How do we get this? কি বললাম আরেকবার বলি এখানে sin x plus cos x আছে, তো আমাকে ভাবতে হবে কোন রাশিমালার ডেরিভেটিভ হচ্ছে sin x plus cos x। সেই জন্য আমি sin x plus cos x কে ইন্টিগ্রেট করলাম। ইন্টিগ্রেট করে আমি পেলাম minus cos x plus sin x, that is sin x minus cos x। তাহলে আলটিমেটলি আমি বলতে পারি ddx of sin x minus cos x মানে হচ্ছে sin x plus cos x। That is, we get the expression sin x minus cos x whose derivative is this. Now I have to make here to appear this sin x minus cos x. Now look how I make that adjustment here. 9 plus 16 into 1 minus sin 2x. Make this minus sign. Plus 16 sin 2 is minus 16, then plus 16. Adjusted. এবার তুমি আমাকে বলতে পারো যে আমি এখানে 1 minus sin 2x কেন আনলাম? Because 1 minus sin 2x gives us sin x minus cos x whole square. That's why I have made this 1 minus sin 2x. Now 16 plus 9 is 25. So we get sin x plus cos x dx divided by 25 minus 16 into sin x minus cos x whole square. Now let sin x minus cos x as z. Then you get cos x plus sin x dx equals to dz. So the expression becomes this is dz. This is 25 minus 16 z square. Okay. Now take 16 common outside the integral sign. 1 by 16 integration dz by 5 by 4 whole square minus x square. Now we get the standard form to integrate it. We know the formula. 1 by 2 a is 5 by 4. Mean of mod of plus z by 5 by 4 minus z plus c. Now substitute z for sin x minus cos x. So you get 1 by 40 to the 4, 8 by 40. 1 by 40 mean of mod of 5 plus 4z. That is 4 sin x minus cos x. 4 sin x minus 4 cos x divided by 5 minus 4 sin x plus 4 cos x plus this is your final answer. Okay. Next question. Integration dx by sin x plus sec x. This one is also a very important problem. First multiply both n and d by cos x. We get here cos x dx by 1 plus sin x cos x. Then I am multiplying both n and d by 2. We get 2 cos x dx 2 plus sin 2x, because 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Next I am writing, instead of 2 cos x I am writing cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. and here it is 2 plus sine 2x. Now we get two integrals. First one is cos x plus sin x dx divided by 2 plus sin 2x plus integration cos x minus sin x dx divided by 2 plus sin x. Now integrate cos x plus sin x, you get sin x minus cos x. So you have to make here sin x minus cos x, and integrate this, you get sin x plus cos x. So you have to make here sin x plus cos x. This is our strategy to deal with this type of problem. Now cos x plus sin x dx, I have to make here sin x minus cos x. So 2 minus 1 minus sin 2x, and writing plus 1, then it will be balanced. Okay, and here cos x minus sin x dx by 1 plus 1 plus sin 2x. Okay. Now it becomes cos x plus sin x dx divided by 2 plus 1 3 minus, here it is sin x minus cos x whole square plus here it is cos x minus sin x dx 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Write it as d of sin x minus cos x, because this is cos x plus sin x divided by, here it is root 3 whole square minus sin x minus cos x whole square plus integration d of sin x plus cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Now it is completely ready to be opened or to be solved. So your final answer will be, this is dz by root 3 square minus z square. So final answer will be 1 by 2 3 ln of mod of 3 plus sin x minus cos x by 3 minus sin x plus cos x, plus this will be dz by 1 plus z square, that is tan inverse of z, tan inverse of sin x plus cos x plus c. This is your final answer. 1 by 2 3 ln of root 3 plus sin x minus root 3 minus sin x minus cos x, tan inverse of this. Let me solve another good one. These are all important problems frequently seen in exam papers. Question number 23. Integration dx by cos x plus cosec x. Multiply both n and d by sin x sin x dx, here it is 1 plus sin x cos x. Like the previous one, I am multiplying both n and d by 2. So you get 2 sin x dx, 2 plus this will become sin 2x, because 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Now I am writing, instead of 2 sin x, I am writing cos x plus sin x minus cos x minus sin x divided by 2 plus sin 2x dx. Then I am writing cos x plus sin x dx divided by 2 plus sin 2x and then minus integration cos x minus sin x dx divided by 2 plus sin x. Now integration of cos x plus sin x is sin x minus cos x, so we have to make here this. I am writing the numerator as d of sin x minus cos x divided by 2 minus 1 minus sin 2x, then plus 1 minus integration d of sin x plus cos x, and here I am writing 1 plus sin 2x. Now I am writing d of sin x minus cos x by 3, that is root 3 square, and here it is sin x minus cos x whole square minus integration d of sin x plus cos x by 1 plus sin x plus cos x whole square. Now it is ready to integrate. So I am writing the final answer here as 1 by 2a, that is 1 by 2 3 union of mod of root 3 plus sin x minus cos x by root 3 minus sin x minus cos x, and then it is tan inverse of sin x plus cos x plus this is your final answer. Okay. Now let us have a short break. After the break I am coming with more problems. Till then be there.